I completed my medical school at Loma Linda University, which is pretty much down the street from here. After I finished my medical school, I went out to New York, where I did my general surgical training. Then I went up to UC Davis, where I did my specialty training, which is in bariatric surgery. So bariatric surgery is basically weight loss surgery. It's surgical treatment of obesity. Bariatric surgery was not the first thing on my mind. As I prepared to become a surgeon, I always had the desire to do something that's minimally invasive. So surgery typically was done with a big open incision, okay? Required the surgeon to actually put his hands inside the abdomen, perform the operation. Patients had a lot of problems with pain and wound infections, etc. But we've advanced from there on to laparoscopy, which is performing surgery through tiny little incisions. So robotic surgery is fairly new. Just a handful of surgeons that have actually adopted robotics into bariatric surgery. But with time, more and more surgeons are seeing the benefits of using robotics in bariatric surgery, and it's going to be more and more popular now with time. One of the biggest advantages of performing these operations through tiny little incisions is that these patients have much less pain, so they can actually get out of bed 3 hours after surgery and start walking. And most of them are able to go home the very next day. So one of the patients that comes to mind is a lady in her 50s, essentially came in my office in a wheelchair. She suffered from diabetes, hypertension, sleep apnea, and multiple medical issues that come about as a result of weight gain. She could barely walk 5 feet, very depressed. About a year or so after surgery, she lost close to 80 to 90% of her excess body weight. She got rid of her diabetes, got rid of her hypertension, got rid of her sleep apnea, and she started walking up to 5 miles a day. Completely changed her life around. Our goal is patient success. As part of our program, we offer not just surgery, but nutritional counseling, the psychological counseling, the exercise counseling that enables these patients to achieve great success, not just with their weight loss, but getting rid of a lot of their medical issues as well.